Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the factorial of a given number. So what is the factorial of the given number? When you give a number, you have to calculate the product multiplication from 1 to that number. That is known as a factorial. For example, for 5 factorial, this is calculated as a 1 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 5. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24, 24 into 5 is 120. This is the factorial of 5. In this way, the factorial is calculated for any number. For this, we are going to write a Python program. Here I am having a variable n equal to integer of input of enter the number. Enter the number. So I am closing the input statement, I am closing the in function. So input statement display the term enter the number in the console and use the enter number. Input statement receives it as a string and in function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. Now I am initializing a variable fact equal to 1. I am writing a for loop for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1 colon. Here the range function will generate a list 1 to n minus 1. So I am giving a value n. If you want range to generate a list from 1 to n, I have to give 1 to n plus 1. If you give n here, it will generate a list up to n minus 1. For this sequence only, the number of times the for loop will get executed. So now from 1 to n, a sequence got generated. I will take the first value 1, the first iteration, second value 2, 3 and 4. In the last iteration, will take the value n. Now I am calculating fact equal to fact multiplied with I. So this is a for loop. I am giving a tab space for the statement to be in the scope of the for loop. We have to give a tab space. That's why the tab space is given here. Now I am going to print the result. Print the factorial of, I am closing the string followed by the variable n, followed by a string is followed by the value fact. So I am getting the output, the factorial of the value in the number n is the value fact. Now we will take a sample input and check how this program works. First explanation, here I am asking the user to enter a number, convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. Fact equal to 1, this variable is initialized with 1. Loop. Here for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, generate a sequence from 1 to n. I will take the value 1, 2, 3. I will take the value 1 to n in the each iteration. It calculated fact equal to fact star I, existing value of fact multiplied with I value. The next iteration I will take the value and multiply with fact. And next iteration I will take the next value of the sequence and multiply with fact. Up to this, it will go up to n. So in this area, the multiplication from 1 to n will get calculated. Finally, the result will get printed. Now we will take a sample input and check how this program works. Now my n is 5. Okay. So here fact, the value of fact is 1. So the sequence is generated here by using range function, that is 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So I will take a value 1 first in the first iteration, and it will multiply fact equal to fact star I. That means 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 will get a value 1. In the next iteration, I will take the value 2. Okay, fact equal to fact star I. Fact is 2. In the next iteration, I will take the value 3. Fact equal to fact star I. This is 3 into 2, 6. In the next iteration, I will take the value 4. Fact equal to 6 into 4, 24. In the next iteration, I will take the value 5. 24 into 5, fact equal to 120. Sequence is over, control will come out. I am getting a result. I'll write the result here, output. The factorial of, here n, value of n is 5, a string is 120. So this is my output. So this program will work for any n value. If you give any n value, the factorial will get calculated. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.